Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your username from your account center on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings, and here as you see you will find personal details, click on it. Now click profiles, click on your account, here you will find username, click on it. Now here you can change or add your username, you can edit your username and click done, and that's it, it will be changed, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.